Livewire is an all-new Harley Davidson Halo product that's an EV, and its core architecture is based on an internal permanent magnet machine and an RESS with lithium-ion technology.
How is Harley Davidson developing the technology for its electrical vehicle program? Are you leveraging startups? Is it all in-house? Are you using the Silicon Valley office?
So Livewire actually started with an idea in 2011 where we started investigating different technologies, motor technologies, power electronics, battery packs, all the way back to 2011. And what we've started doing, and you can see in our startup of our West Coast facility, is we're bringing a lot more of that design and development in-house to bring the absolute best in EV technology to market.
Why is Harley Davidson pivoting toward electric?
Livewire is an all-new product in an emerging category for Harley Davidson. It represents the future of Harley Davidson, and we can expect to see future models with part of the technology that you see showcased on Livewire today.
Who is the Livewire for?
Well, Livewire is for a lot of different people. Actually, we know that many of our Harley Davidson customers will want one. And we know that from when we had Project Livewire in the hands of our customers, how excited they were. But really, we're looking at a new market. These are customers who are more urban, they're younger, they're wealthier, they're high in terms of their style and appreciation of design and quality, and they're looking for an electric motorcycle for urban use.
So for market development, how does Harley Davidson balance its loyal chrome and steel gas market with building this new EV market that probably is going to be a different demographic?
It will be, for sure, and there'll be some crossover as well. And it's an and, it's not or, right? So we'll continue to lead in touring and custom development and making motorcycles that will appeal to those customers, and we're going to reach out to these new customers. And not only with Livewire, but we intend to have a whole portfolio of electric vehicles in the future.
Scooters, bicycles?
Well, you name it, we're going to be broadening the portfolio and leading the electrification of two-wheelers. And so there'll be different visuals, there'll be different price points, different performance points. In some cases, you won't need a motorcycle license to enjoy them. So yes, our intent is to lead the electrification of two wheels.
So on price point with Livewire, which comes in at $29,000, right?
Correct.
How do you expect to compete with, say, Zero, who's coming out with a new motorcycle roughly comparable that's $10,000 less?
Well, the reality is they're not that comparable when you look at the level of quality, the fit and finish, and some of the performance attributes, as well as the overall customer experience. If you think about the level of customer-dealer interaction, the fact that our dealers will have a servicing ability, they'll have charging ability at their stores, and the ability to really give the customer a broader and better, we believe, customer experience. So we think when people make the comparison, there really is no choice.
With Livewire, Harley Davidson will be the first big gas manufacturer to release an e-motorcycle to the US market. Do you think you'll have an impact in shifting the industry in that direction?
I think everyone's watching, that's for certain. We're the first mover in the space. We have the best dealer network, not only in the US, but globally. We have a very strong dealer network that are all in, and it's a very exciting time, and I think you'll see others move after a Harley Davidson.
Is Livewire all American made?
Good question. Livewire is assembled in York, Pennsylvania, so American made.
Harley Davidsons are famous for their sound, for their gas motorcycles. Is there an electric Harley Davidson sound for Livewire?
So absolutely, it wouldn't be a Harley Davidson if we didn't have look, sound, and feel. So sound on this motorcycle will be authentic to Harley Davidson, and it comes from the combination of the electric motor, the spiral bevel gear, and the drive line. Each of those are engineered specifically to have that signature sound.
But a little quieter than a gas bike.
Absolutely.